Okay folks, so today I'll do some squash. Just plain squash, all vegetarian. And I'll use this guy here to peel it. And like that. And this cleaver here to cut it up. So I'll show you guys the process in a few minutes. Okay folks, so I split that squash in half. And what I did, I dug out that inside of it. As you can see there's I left this one here to show you guys. And now I'll chip this up in cubes, the same way you do tomatoes or however you want to cook it. And I save my squash skin for my garden, and the inside part of the squash too that I dug out will be in the garden. So I got 2 more to go, and then I'll chip it up. Do not throw away your veggie skin, things like that. You can use it in your garden for compost. It's one of the best composts you can have. So throw this in your compost drum and it'll be good for you. Okay guys, so here's the other step. I'll saute my garlic first. The onion, I'll throw in a few minutes there. And this is a squash. I chop it up in cubes, as you can see there. I'll toast this up a little bit first. And squash is very, very delicious. You can cook it with meat, fish, whatever you want, or just plain veggie. I'll put in the onion. And the tomatoes. The tomato gives it some nice flavor, the onion also. And I'll put in my scallions, which is shallot. And this is a very easy, simple recipe. I'm not going to put too much stuff in here. The squash don't take too long to cook. So I'll add my squash in here. It's organic grown squash from the farm. So I'm basically trying to mix up everything here. So I'll let it steam in there for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna add some pepper in here, pepper flakes. You can add to your taste. Some black pepper. And some sea salt. And this will be finished in a few minutes here. I'll let it cook for another 5 minutes. You can cook yours to whatever level you want or your taste. Okay folks, so this has been cooking for 5 minutes here. Let's see how it looks. It smells really good. And all that nice color in there from the tomato, the onion, the scallions. You can cook yours how you wanted it. If you want it soft, you want it a little harder. I like mine's a little rawer than most people. But it's still kind of a little tough there right now, so I'll wait a little bit more, 5 minutes more. Okay folks, let's check this out here. I think this is done. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And let me know how you cook your squash and what kind of ingredients you use. If you guys didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. It will help. Thank you very much.